Today we're going to be visiting a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom in Sam Towers. All right, here we go. Let's check this out. So we got solid living room space here. Yeah, big tiles. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, you're good, buddy. Oh, nice bathroom. Shower has a closed door. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Closet, got some nice closet space here. Yep. Nice bathroom. 2 bathrooms, sweet. Oh, wow. It's a little, wow.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wow, buddy. That might freak mom out. I love it. That's super cool. Okay, fan, extra light. A little tighter shower right here, but love the tile on the wall there. Some unfinished pieces like light up here. It's not tiled back here. There's this crease running down the wall right here.
Hardly any hanging space.
Have less stuff. Kenny, do not climb up in there. Second bedroom. Oh, good sized bed.
There's laundry.
Nice little closet space here. Nice little desk sitting space. And a laundry. Wow. And then kitchen again. Good sized refrigerator. Like the green touches here. Overhead vent. Could be cleaned a little bit, but you know. Decent amount of, all right, we'll probably want to put some shelves in there. Yeah, pretty good. Those things are, all right, so we're checking out the gym and the pool now. Thank you. Oh, wow. Awesome, yeah. Oh, look at the floaties, buddy. Wow. Holy smokes. Yo, this pool is dope. Oh boy. This is super nice. Oh, it feels fantastic up here. It's a very large pool. You got these insane views over here. A great walking area along here. It looks like they're kind of doing construction, building out more of that, but it's beautiful. Get a nice shot of this bridge right here. Not sure what bridge that is. Super nice pool. It's got a covered portion and an uncovered portion. All right. And this is the gym? This is the price for?
One month is
Pool, gym, Zumba, yoga. We have to pay to
So it's not included in?
It's not included.
Very interesting, okay. Interesting, okay. Good to know. Let's check out the gym. Oh, okay. It's a good sized gym. That's not yucky aguas. Wow. Couple of treadmills, some free squat rack right here. We've got Smith machine, leg press, free bench, Okay. This is definitely decent. I think you can get a pretty good workout in here. This looks pretty solid. We've got 35 kgs. This goes up to 40 kgs here. Yeah, this definitely looks suitable. I think there is plenty here to do. Okay, let me see that price list one more time. Yup, I got you guys. Let me see that price list one more time. So 6 months, you're talking 5 million on
1 person.
one person? Gotcha. So 10 million dong per person, or 10 million dong for 2 people. Is it a
Including discount 1 year.
discount for 1 year? Okay. So this is price per person. Again, you get access to fitness, yoga, and the pool.
Zumba.
Zumba. Gotcha.
The next month is sauna.
Okay. Awesome. And is Zumba done
Zumba now.
in this other room? Okay. Let's take a look real quick. So Zumba, and I'm assuming yoga are done in a separate room here. Awesome. Thank you. Okay. And there's, all right, so we've got a separate room for Zumba and yoga. And then you have kind of, and then, ooh, and then kind of like a little private garden area out here as well with bathrooms. Don't trip on those bricks. Yeah, so kind of more of a city view. This could be done up a little bit. Here's the kids' school right here. This is you said this is a preschool, babe? Kindergarten. We got a kindergarten right here. So, I mean, altogether, this is pretty solid. That price is per person. The longer you stay, obviously, the cheaper it gets, but this is super nice. Again, I'm imagining they would keep kind of fixing this up a little bit.
There's a MMA, boxing, Muay Thai right here.
Yeah, right on the corner there. Awesome. This is super nice. All right, you guys. So that was my quick review of Sam Tower. Again, that was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It was about 21 million dong, or right around 800 USD a month. That didn't come with internet or anything else, so you'd have to kind of cover some of those things yourself, which tend to be pretty affordable. And then the gym, if you did 6 months, that's 5 million dong, which basically comes out to about $32 a month for access to the gym and the pool. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are and if you would live here. Peace.